watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Tonight's weather story pretty simple. It's going to be cool. We've already got some spots across mid-Michigan dipping into the low 40s, mid-40s, Big Rapids now at 45, and waking up tomorrow morning, especially away from the lakefront and areas north of I-94. We've got a good shot at being into the 30s. Frost not likely, perhaps a few patches of frost well away from the lake across mid-Michigan, but the frost advisory is way up to the north of US 10. Here's what I'm forecasting for temperatures. This is a computer model animation of how this is going to unfold overnight tonight. You can see we're pretty close to current temperatures right now. Put this in motion. We'll pause it at 6 a.m. right around sunrise is usually about the coolest time of the day, and that comes at 7:12 tomorrow morning. Notice we've got some folks here in the upper 30s, Ionia, Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, upper 30s, mid 30s, not totally out of the question. Places like Mount Pleasant, Leota, some of the typically cooler places. But into the afternoon, the sun comes out, a mostly sunny day tomorrow, and temperatures rise up into the upper 60s. No frost advisories for West Michigan, like I said, but you don't have to travel very far north. We get north of the US 10 corridor. We have frost advisories out for northern parts of lower Michigan, a good chunk, about 3/4 of the upper peninsula of Michigan under a frost advisory tonight. And that cool air will be creeping slowly southward here as the season progresses. Tonight's Storm Track Live is clear. We've got the perfect recipe to three things, and we'll be talking about this a lot this fall. We've got clear skies. That allows for radiational cooling. It's like sleeping without a blanket at night. We have light winds, which doesn't mix the atmosphere, so the cool air tends to settle. And we also have dry air, which cools and warms more rapidly than does humid air. So those three things together usually equal a cool night, and that's what we have on tap for tonight. Satellite view, here are the clear skies proving that, and 24-hour forecast. Watch these temperatures sink as we get down towards 6 a.m. A lot of us in the upper 30s. Now the metro areas will be a little bit warmer because during the daytime when you get into a bigger city, there's a lot of pavement, a lot of concrete, warm buildings. They all absorb the sun's energy, so they radiate that at night, so they tend to stay a few degrees warmer than the countryside locations. Mid 60s here by lunchtime tomorrow, and then upper 60s as we get into the afternoon. 8-day forecast. We'll give you a warming trend. It's just going to take a little while before this really takes hold. 68 again tomorrow, which would be a few degrees warmer than what we had today, but that's a good rebound considering how cool we start at 41. 73 here for Wednesday afternoon with sunshine. Partly cloudy here for Thursday and Friday, and believe it or not, there's actually a computer model that for the last 3 days has been really consistently trying to bring a little bit of the leftover precipitation from Tropical Storm Lee, you know, that storm that dropped all that rain in the deep south. But as of right now, it's an outlier, so we're keeping Thursday and Friday dry, but a sprinkle or two or a shower east and southeast of Grand Rapids. Detroit looks like it'll actually get in on a little bit of rain from Tropical Storm Lee. We'll watch that closely, but as of right now, it seems prudent to keep that out. Saturday, Sunday both look dry. Temperatures in the 70s. Now, I don't think we'll hit 80 on Friday, but we'll be pretty close. And then the next solid chance of rain is with a cold front coming in here Monday and Tuesday.
All in all, quite a bit cooler. I mean, we had all that hot, humid weather, and now it's back to school and almost back to fall just that quick. All right, thanks, Scott.